For this assignment, you're going to follow a series of steps in a Google document, trying out all of the different features that Google Docs has. You can use this video if you have difficulty with any of the steps. So starting with step 1, create a document. And you're also going to rename that document. Always rename your documents, don't leave them as untitled. So you're going to rename it Chinese New Year. You don't need to put your name in there because I will already know it's from you when you share it. Step 2, you're going to add a heading using the format that we did yesterday. So you put your name, your teacher's name, the class. You can either just put the period or computer applications, and the date. It is my dad's birthday. Alright, step 3, you're gonna use this link. Go ahead and open up this page to find the article on Chinese New Year, and 2014 is the year of the horse. I'm just going to have you guys copy and paste this bottom section here on the Lantern Festival, 3 paragraphs. So go ahead and select that, Control C to copy, or you can right click and go to copy. And then you're going to go back here and you're going to paste it. Step 4, you're going to center the title. Now it currently doesn't have a title, so you're going to put one in there. So instead of tabbing over, well, actually I'm going to go ahead and title it The Lantern Festival. And so instead of tabbing over, we want to center it, so we can do that by doing center align. Now it's in the middle. Step 5 says to make it bold. You can do that by highlighting it and then going to the B. Also, you can see the shortcut Control B will do it. Next, you're going to underline it. It's already highlighted, so I can just click the underline, or Control U is the shortcut. And step 7 is to make it in italics. That's the little slanty I right here. Control I, or click that. So now it's underlined, in italics, and bold. You would never do all 3 of those for a title, but here I just want you to get the experience of how to do it. Step 8, you need to indent each paragraph. You can do that by clicking at the beginning and then clicking the tab button. Step 9 is to change the font to Comic Sans. So you're going to highlight all of this, go up to here where it says Arial, and change it to Comic Sans. By the way, you can get rid of this section down here. Step 10 is to change the size to 12. So right now the font size up here defaults to 11. The part we pasted was size 10, so we want to change that to 12. Step 11 says to change it to black. You'll notice the text down here is kind of a light gray. You do that by going to this A. Okay, this is next to the underline, not the underline U, but the underline A, is to change text color and to highlight. So text color, we're going to change this to black. Now you can see that it's all black. Step 12, we want to double space the entire document, so including the heading, we go all the way to the top, and we go here to line spacing, the arrow up and down, and go to double. Step 13 is to highlight the word lantern. So here's where we can use Control F to find everywhere that the word lantern appears. You can see it will kind of highlight it for me, and then I'm going to go through and highlight it by doing that. Going back to this underlined A, next to text is highlight, and I'm going to highlight it in yellow. And you can see when I click off of it, now the word is yellow. It's still highlighted from my search, from my Control F search. It's kind of highlighted in green for me, so that will help me to find them quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all these. You'll notice that my search showed me that there are 6 results. You don't need to highlight the lantern in the title. One more trick, there's one last one that I haven't highlighted here. If you accidentally highlight too much, and I went too far, remember you can always do undo to fix what you just did. And another trick, if I just was highlighting, I can use Control Y to redo what I just did. Although in this case I wouldn't want to redo that part. Okay, number 14 asks you to highlight the word New Year in the 3rd paragraph, so that goes on to the 2nd page. You're going to highlight that and you're going to leave a comment. Comment is this darker box next to the aligns up here. You click Insert Comment when you've highlighted something, and it's going to leave a comment. It's going to highlight those words and it's going to leave a comment that goes with them. So here I want you to leave the comment, Happy Chinese New Year, and then click Comment. Step 15, I want you to highlight the words Dragon Dance. It actually appears twice in the 3rd paragraph. You can do either one, here and here. Highlight that word, and this time not a comment, but you're going to insert a link, which is right next to the comment. You click Insert Link, and I want you to use the link that I give you here. So you can go ahead and highlight it here, Control C to copy, or right click to copy, and you're going to paste that link right in here. Control V to paste, or you can right click and click Apply, and then you'll notice that Dragon Dance will become a link in blue and underlined. Last thing you're going to do is share it with me, so click the blue share button. Make sure that you've done all 16 or 15 steps coming up, leading up to that. Put in my name, and for this I want you to just give me the ability to comment, so make sure you change it from can edit to can comment. That way I can't change yours, only you would be able to fix it. Alright, use this video to help you, follow the steps carefully. Good luck.